Hello. Bosnia and Herzegovina, clil 24. This is a country in southeastern Europe. It is situated on the Balkan Peninsula. The capital city is Sarajevo. It is also the largest city. Bosnia borders Croatia in the north, west and south. Serbia borders Bosnia in the east and Montenegro is to the southeast. The Adriatic Sea is in the south. The city of Neum is surrounded by the Adriatic Sea. In the central and eastern interior, the terrain is mountainous. In the northwest, it is quite hilly, while in the northeast, it is mainly flat. The climate inland has a continental climate with hot summers and cold, snowy winters. The southern tip of Bosnia has a Mediterranean climate. Bosnia River and the city of Neum in the south. The origin of the name of the country comes from two regions, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnia is situated in the northern areas and is about 4/5 of the country. Most of the country is mountainous and encompasses the central Dinaric Alps or Dinaric Alps. The Pannonian Plain is in the northeast of the country. About half of Bosnia is covered in forest. Most is in the centre, east and western parts of Bosnia. Along the river Sava, the land is very fertile in northern Bosnia. This farmland is part of the Pannonian Plain, which advances into Croatia and Serbia. Herzegovina has a drier Mediterranean climate and mainly karst topography. There are 7 major rivers in Bosnia and Herzegovina. The Sava is the largest river in the country and forms its northern border with Croatia. The Bosnia River gave its name to the country and is the longest river fully contained within it. The country can be divided into 3 ecoregions: the Pannonian mixed forests, the Dinaric Mountains mixed forests, and the Illyrian deciduous forests. Ethnic groups. Bosnia and Herzegovina is home to the Bosniaks, Serbs and Croats. Bosniaks make up over 50%, Serbs 30% and Croats 13%. Religion. In 2013, over 50% of the population was Sunni Muslim, 31% was Serbian Orthodox and 15% Roman Catholics. Languages. The main languages are Bosnian, Croatian and Serbian. The Republika Srpska, can't say it. In Serbo-Croatian, the name means Serb Republic. It is one of 2 entities with a lower level of governance. Cities. There are just under 450,000 inhabitants in Sarajevo. Cuisine. Bosnian meat platter, a waitress in Bosnian dress. Bosnian cuisine uses many spices. It is balanced between Western and Eastern influences, but it is closely related to Turkish and Greek cuisine. Local wines are produced in Herzegovina, where the terrain is suitable for growing grapes. Sports. Football is the most popular sport. Edin Dzeko, playing for the Bosnian national football team in year 2015. Sorry for the pronunciation. Another popular sport is basketball. Leisure activities. Coffee drinking is a favorite pastime in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnian coffee is served in dzviva with rahat lokum, Turkish delight, and drunk through a sugar cube. This is a dzviva, whatever it is. Okay, this is the Buna River near the town of Blajaj. Is one of the biggest karst springs in Europe. And here the bridge is a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2007. Bye-bye.